Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Aruj Haider and welcome back to Paint Heaven by AHS. Before we begin, here's a quick glimpse of what we created before. The body feathers come together beautifully, full of texture and warmth. And now let's continue. Before starting this part, I wanted to mention something. I actually missed recording the initial steps of the tail. So I will quickly explain what I had done. I had mixed blue and green shades in my palette, not directly on the tail, and I created a beautiful peacock tail base color. Then I applied that color smoothly as a foundation for the tail area. I had also created the oval shapes of the feather eye as a base for the detailing. Now starting from inside the oval, I am working on the details. I am adding a light blue tone inside the oval one by one. After applying this tone, I will deepen the center with a darker blue to create a depth and contrast. So I completed all the oval space layer with a light blue color or paint, actually paint, and now I'm taking a darker shade of blue to just create the depth of that eye. You should be very patient while creating this feather because this is a long process to create it. Actually, one feather takes almost around hundreds of strokes to become a feather. So you just have to take care. This should be dry completely so that we can create a beautiful heart shapes to give it a depth. Now let it dry, or you can take help from blow dryer to dry it. Now I am softly adding a white outer ring around the shape to enhance the feather eye and give it a glowing effect. So let me complete all these white strokes just to complete the feather eye. Then I will add a white dot. So I have added all the strokes to the feather eye. Now I start building the feathers around it. Using a very fine brush, I am adding thin hairs like strokes one by one. Each stroke is soft and directional, following the natural flow of the feather. This steps takes patience and as each feather is built with many tiny strokes. I continue layering these fine lines to create a full textured feather. Slowly, you can see how the feather is forming and gaining volume. I keep adjusting the shades and refining the strokes so everything looks balanced and natural. हर स्ट्रोक के साथ तस्वीर जिंदा हो जाती है. I repeat this process for each feather, maintaining consistency and flow. You can see how each small strokes and layers has built this vibrant and elegant tail. This part took patience, but the result is truly worth it. And now we are moving to the final part of this painting. In the next part, we will complete this artwork by adding beautiful flowers and bringing the whole composition together. So don't miss part 5, the final and the most satisfying step. And here is the final look of the peacock. I hope you really enjoyed and happy with how this turned out. The colors, the details and the texture all came together beautifully. If you enjoyed this process, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Paint Heaven by AHS. Until then, stay inspired and happy painting.